Hi, am I audible now? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, audible, ma'am.
Okay, let's start then. Right, welcome to MEPL classes. So hello everyone, thanks for giving your time and joining into this webinar. Welcome to MEPL classes. Today, our agenda for this time together is obviously to understand the ACCA, the importance of ACCA, and how would you be starting with ACCA. And then we will be looking at the career prospects in India and abroad. And then, of course, we'll have a Q&A session. Okay. So let's get started by my introduction. My name is Janki Panchal, and I am a fellow member with ACCA. I've been teaching ACCA for past 9 years. I have finished my ACCA and my MBA in service marketing and corporate finance, both from UK. ACCA was done from Kaplan Financial, and obviously MBA was also done from there, but MBA was done from Liverpool John Moores University. I am also a mentor with Oxford Brookes University, and I am a head of education for ICPA. I would be taking you through the journey of ACCA with MEPL today, and I would definitely encourage any questions that you have once we are finished with this. Thank you. So let's get started, right? Now, MEPL, as you know, the classes are very, very famous. It has got a very big spectrum around the globe, and they are very good in terms of CA and CS. The new step, the obvious streamline for them was going for ACCA, right? ACCA is a global chartered accountancy course, which is recognized in 179 countries. Okay, 179 countries recognize ACCA, and it is a very, very old global chartered accountancy course from 1904 onwards, basically originated from Scotland, UK, right? Let's see about how to go about it. So ACCA basically has got 3 levels of education, examinations, you could say, plus 20 hours of EPSM modules, plus 36 months of practical experience, right? Let's go one by one in each of them. The first level is called the applied knowledge level, which has total 3 papers. All these 3 papers are on-demand papers. That means when a student is ready, prepared for the examination, they can book an exam and give it at their own convenience. Same goes for the first level of applied skill also. Applied skill is supposed to be the second level of examinations. Apart from that, all the 5 subjects that you see here, performance management, which is very similar to costing, taxation, financial reporting, very similar to finalization, audit and financial management, are all quarterly papers. They have to be given every quarter, that is March, June, September, and December. Then after you come to the last level, which is professional level, which has got 2 compulsory papers, strategic business leadership and strategic business reporting. Apart from that, there are 4 papers, out of which you can pick up 2 optional papers. So basically, you need to finish all these 13 papers, plus a 20 hours of EPSM and 36 months of practical experience. You can finish the EPSM after you finish your first 9 papers, and your PER can be started from as soon as you finish your first BT paper itself. You can start it from the first paper itself. Okay, so you don't have to wait at a certain level, finish your 3 years, and then start another level. You can directly start it from the first paper itself, right? At every level that you finish, you get a certificate. So for finishing the first level, you get a diploma certificate from ACCA. After the second level, you get an advanced diploma. And after the third level, you become an affiliate with ACCA. You can only become a member with ACCA once you finish the EPSM and PER also. Okay. Apart from this, ACCA also offers you exemptions. So there are exemptions after graduation, BCom, CA, IPCC, BCom plus CA or IPCC, CMA India, and CA or CMA. So there are exemptions at every level. ACCA has got collaboration with two very, very prestigious universities, Oxford Brookes University, which offers you a BSc in applied accounting with them. And this is course where you have to finish your first 9 papers, and then you have to apply for a research report. Once your research report is accepted, you get the BSc in applied accounting from Oxford Brookes University. And University of London gives you a master's in professional accounting when you finish all your 13 papers and finish their online modules also. So basically, this is an amalgamation of your chartered accountancy plus your graduation and a post-graduation degree all together under one roof. You would take about 2.5 to 3 years to finish the complete course, starting from the first paper to finishing all the other formalities. What kind of companies do hire ACCAs? Now, in India, realistically, when I came back to India in 2009, the market was still growing. But right now, if you see, the market is massive for ACCAs. I mean, a small cap company or a mid cap company, or obviously a large cap company would be very happy to take ACCAs on board. And their salaries are at par with every Indian chartered accountancy course available in the market, right? Being India an international hub, a financial hub, there are many opportunities where international companies collab with India, and they have an opportunity to get international chartered accountants in India itself. So it's a very good market where, you people are in this era where you can get good jobs sitting at the convenience of your own home country. And obviously, if you want to move abroad, there are lots and lots of opportunities. 179 countries approve it. So, you have a win-win situation with this. Let me quickly go to how can you book your ACCA journey with MEPL classes. So when you go to the main page of MEPL, it would look something like this. So you just need to type meplclasses.com and you come to the main page of MEPL. You click on courses, and then you go to international courses. In international, I'm so sorry, I'm just going to go there. Yeah, in international courses, you are going to go to the category and you have to click on ACCA. MEPL has been providing all different kinds of available opportunities for each and every student. If you're starting from the first paper, or if you want to go online, if you want to just take it on your mobile app, you take Google Drive classes. I mean, everything that a student wants to do is all available on your MEPL classes itself. Okay, so you can simply go to their website and pick up the combo that you want. You want it with books, you want without books, everything is available on the platform itself. So they've made it very interactive for students who are keen to learn ACCA. And obviously they are a very big name in the market. So in terms of credibility, you don't have to look any further. And there are some subjects which I would also be taking on board, and I would be very happy to see you all on board. So that's all from me. I want to hear if you guys have any questions. If you want to ask me anything about it, please bring it on.
Ma'am, actually, I wanted a clarification where is that mandatory for us to complete the training for 36 months?
Sir, would you like to give me a name to you, because then it will be more comfortable for me to talk to you. Yes,
ma'am,
please.
my name is Pranav, and currently I'm pursuing CMA final.
Yes, sir.
Currently I'm pursuing my CMA final.
Okay, you are pursuing your CMA final. Yes. And what was your question again?
Ma'am, I wanted to know about the 36 months training.
Yes.
In ACCA.
Yes. What about it?
Yeah, basically we would get some exemptions from subjects, but is that training for 36 months mandatory for us if we already completed our internship via CMA?
Yes, if you have completed your internship via CMA and it is with a role which is very similar to chartered accountancy or anything related to accountancy, it can be auditing, it can be taxation, analysis, you name it, costing, then definitely you can get your exemptions in your PERs. I mean, you can just take these PERs, the years that you work with them, you can take it and you can use it up here also.
Thanks, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
My pleasure. Anybody else?
Ma'am, hello, ma'am. This side Imran, ma'am. I have one
Yes.
question, ma'am. Can I ask
Yes.
you, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I am telling that currently I am in my last year of graduation, ma'am. And
Okay.
after my graduation, I will get 4 exemption, ma'am. And I am thinking that I am asking that after clearing my FR and audit paper, can I get into a audit field in a corporate, ma'am, as a job, ma'am?
Okay, so may I ask what kind of graduation you are doing right now?
BCom honors in accounts and finance, ma'am, from
Wonderful. Wonderful. Then you would, with a BCom honors, you would definitely be getting 3 or 4 papers exemption. And you can surely look for a job which is, up to your mark, up to your standard, and, something that is going to be a combination where they would allow you to study as well as work. And definitely you should get something with the credentials that you are looking for.
And ma'am, one more question, ma'am. I'm
Yes.
asking that, ma'am, as you have told earlier that after completion of skill level, you will get advanced diploma certificate, ma'am. And
Yes.
if suppose a person is getting exemption, ma'am, and he is clearing his skill level, all the 5 papers, then he will get that advanced diploma certificate or not, ma'am?
Yes, you will still get the advanced diploma certificate.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Yes, no problem. My pleasure. Anybody else?
Ma'am, actually, I am from class 12
Yes.
and I wanted to join ACCA. So, how will I be proceeding with all the detailings and everything to join ACCA?
Right. So once you finish your 12th standard, you will be getting your 12th degree, like a certificate, a 12th standard completion certificate. And you can go to accaglobal.com and you can click on apply for a new registration, and you can put up your details there. And of course, you can start from the the first paper itself, and you have to give all the 13 papers. I'm sure MEPL would be guiding you on how to register yourself with ACCA. But that can be done. In fact, if you want to start it right now, you can also do it after your 10th standard. But the first 3 papers that you'll be given would be not called ACCA papers. They would be called FIA papers. And then once you finish your 12th standard and your three or 4 papers, whichever is earlier, you can also get your ACCA. You can convert your FIA into ACCA. I hope I've answered you. Sorry, I was talking to Saurish, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so
Sorry,
much.
Sarvesh
Ma'am,
Agarwal. Yes.
I also wanted to ask, ma'am, how
Yes.
is the package after clearing ACCA? How is the package like?
Yeah, ACCA packages are at par as any chartered accountancy course that is in the market right now in India.
Ma'am, I have another doubt.
Yes.
What is the main difference between CA, CS, CMA, or any other professional course, ma'am, with ACCA?
So not trying to be offensive, but I would not like to differentiate between all the dignified professional courses that are around the globe. Obviously, everybody has their own pros and cons, and it depends upon what suits you or what your final requirement is that can, maybe attract you to a single accountancy role that you are looking for, accountancy, you would say a course that you're looking for.
Yes, ma'am. But in general, I wanted to know that is there any value addition when we pursue CMA, CA, or CS? Is there any value addition after completing our ACCA?
So I've been teaching ACCA now almost for a decade, and I have been seeing most of CA, CMA, and CFAs after finishing their course, they have been joining ACCA. So I'm sure there must be a value addition to it. That's why they choose to do that. And after all, the exemptions are also pretty decent. So, if you get an opportunity of getting an extra prestigious international degree with 4 papers, I mean, why not would you do that?
Thanks, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am.
No
Ma'am, what is the starting salary of ACCA? Means if I will do the course, what? minimum
Am
amount
I
I will get.
talking to Costa?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So as I said, it's very subjective depending upon which city you are and at what level you are. But at an average, if you are in Mumbai and you have finished like your 13 papers and you are an affiliate, you're looking at somewhere a package of 8 to 10 lakhs for a start.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Vishakha.
Hello, ma'am. I'm a CA qualified and
Okay.
I have just completed my CA.
Okay.
Ma'am, I want to know that what is this internship program?
Are you talking
The
about the
36 months
PERs?
of internship.
Yes, yes. If you have finished your CA and which is a recent CA, I believe, you would have done your 36 months of internship there also, I believe, right? Then only you are supposed to get your CA degree, if I'm not wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. Vishakha? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so you must have done that. So that can be used as a PR for ACC also. You don't have to redo it.
Thank you, ma'am.
No problem. My pleasure.
Ma'am, what are the job opportunities in foreign countries for ACCA?
As in what roles are you asking?
Are these jobs are available in foreign countries also?
Beautiful question. Let's figure out ourselves, right? Let's figure out ourselves. Which country do you want to check? Or let me just take you to ACCA careers. Can you see my Safari? Can you see my
Yes.
Search engine? Yes. Okay. Can you see this website which says ACCA careers?
Yes.
Okay. Costa, where do you live right now? Where are you?
I stay in New Delhi.
New Delhi. So let me put as a location of New Delhi. Okay, this is just an example of searching some jobs. Since we were live here, I would just like to show you some jobs. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, these are some jobs which are available, which I've just shown you on one website, but obviously, I mean, there are a lot of jobs just on the ACCA careers website, but if you go to LinkedIn, if you go to Naukri.com, Indeed, there are a lot of opportunities. I mean, ACCA itself strives to get a lot of, job opportunities on their website itself, but obviously LinkedIn and all are very beautiful platforms where you can get amazing jobs. So right now there are 32 jobs within the 5 miles of New Delhi.
But I want job in foreign countries like London, USA.
Sure, definitely. You can go to LinkedIn and you can look at the particular country that you are looking for, and there are many opportunities everywhere. If you want to give me a name of a country, I would have given you here. I thought you're looking for something in New Delhi. That's why.
Ireland.
Ireland. Right now, 862 jobs are available in Ireland. Right? A lot of opportunities. When I'm saying it, I'm meaning it. There are a lot of opportunities. You're planning to go to Ireland?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, all the best.
Thank you.
Anyone else?
Ma'am.
Yes, Imran.
Ma'am, I am telling that is it really tough to get a world rank in ACCA, ma'am, as because you are teaching since last 10 years, ma'am, approximately. So I'm asking that it is really tough to get a world rank, ma'am.
I think that is a question that every student should ask themselves. Is it difficult to get something? Right? It's your dedication. I mean, see, we are mediums. Myself, I have given 3 world ranks so far. One in SBL and one in AA and one in AAA. But surely it becomes a student's. So, I mean, I can be a medium of teaching you and helping you out throughout the course, but it's you who matters. Your confidence, your dedication is something that really matters. But yeah, asking for a world rank, achievable for sure.
And ma'am, ACCA has a signing authority, ma'am, as a chartered accountant has a signing authority. Does it have a signing authority, ma'am?
Where are you? Which country are you asking about?
Ma'am, I'm asking that apart from India, as it is recognized in 170 plus countries, so it has a signing authority, ma'am. In audit report, ACCA can sign, ma'am.
ACCAs can sign, but it cannot sign in all 179 countries. ACCA has got a MRA, which is a mutual agreement with some of the prestigious countries. And if you go to UAE or if you are in Europe, I'm so sorry, you do have a signing authority. But when we talk about Australia, when we talk about New Zealand or Canada, there is a mutual agreement between these countries where you can sign off, but there is a 3 or 6 months, if I'm not wrong, there is a changeover gap where you have to move from ACCA and also get a collab degree with them. You don't have to study for sure, but you have to get a collab with them.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very
My
much.
pleasure. Costa, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I wanted to know, since there are a lot of other institutions, how will me enrolling in MEPL give me a competitive edge over other students and other examinees?
See, it's like, it's like you going to a particular place. If you want to watch a cinema, I don't know, if you want to go and watch a movie, for example, you want to watch some new movie that is coming out in the market right now, you'd go to different places, right? The movie is same, but the experience is different. MEPL would provide you the experience that is required, right? It has been proved itself. It has been proving itself in other courses which are working, and it is doing very, very well. And of course, that is the same quality that you are expecting in ACC also. So obviously there is an edge when you are working with someone who is seasoned than, when you're working with someone who is new in the market. I hope that answers you, Costa.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
My pleasure. Anyone else?
Ma'am, actually, I wanted to know about the exam pattern and the passing marks and exemption marks. For
Thanks
ACCA.
for highlighting that. I completely forgot about telling you about the passing marks. 50% is passing in every paper, and I think I did share with you. Were you asking about the paper pattern?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the paper pattern was shared with you earlier, but I'm sure if you connect with MEPL, they would be able to give you a brochure that is giving you the paper patterns. Where these first, second, can you see the brochure page, Pranav?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so BT, MA, FA, and LW are completely MCQ papers, 100 marks each, and passing marks is 50. PM, tax, FR, AA, and FM, they are 30 to 50% MCQs, and the rest is typing. And the last level is completely typing.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got that. Thanks, ma'am.
SBL is a paper that takes 4 hours. The rest of them are, so the skill level paper starting from PM to the last one is 3 hours. And the MCQ, completely MCQ papers are 2 hours.
Thanks, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Okay. Anyone else? I think I've answered most of your questions. Let me quickly take you to the website again, so you have it up there. Right. So on your search engine, you need to type MEPL classes. And then you click on courses, international courses, and then you go into the category and you go to ACCA, right? All the options that MEPL is providing you, with the tutors, of course, there, I would be there in some of the classes also. And I would, will be very happy to help you through your journey of ACCA. And all the options that they have are up on the system. You can see the price range, you can see what papers, how many hours, everything is put up here, right? So, and obviously the brochure can be asked from them, and that has got a detail about everything apart from the course structures.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the book which MEPL is providing ebook, ma'am, does that book is printable or not, ma'am? We can print it or not, ma'am? That I'm asking, ma'am.
So these are mostly licensed books that are provided, and you have to take the discretion with MEPL if they are printable or not. So, some of them are licensed and printable, some of them are licensed and non-printable, but definitely the Kaplan books, you need to discuss with the administration to understand if they are printable or not. But Imran, I would strongly recommend to take it from the laptop or whatever it is, because A, it'll save you paper, and B, your exams are going to be on a system. So the more better efficient you are on the system, it's going to be better for you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. Right. So anyone else?
Ma'am, will you be teaching in Hindi or English, ma'am?
What? Hindi? No, no.
Only English, right, ma'am?
I would prefer English only.
No, ma'am.
Yes. I think you should, if you want more details on this, you can subscribe to MEPL's YouTube channel. You will be getting updates on it, update on ACCA, and everything that is related to something that interests you would be there. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel of MEPL classes. And if you have any queries, please ask me now. Anyone?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I'm telling that as ACCA exam is online, ma'am, completely online on the system, ma'am. So, ma'am, we are not used to give online exam, ma'am. So it would not be difficult for us to give online exam, ma'am.
So the course that is being developed for MEPL, it is not only to teach you ACCA, but to take you through the mock papers also. So if you are, for example, doing a paper with me, I would be using at least 7 to 8 hours to teach you how to do mock papers, and you would be doing mock papers with me simultaneously. Right. So, I personally think that just going through the books and not testing yourself before the exams would not bring any good to you. So testing yourself is equally important as much as going through the books or, going through the journey of learning something. If you don't test yourself, you'd never know where you're going to be. Besides, that will also take off the fear that you have, if you have any, in terms of teaching. Sorry, learning.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. The brochure is already pinned up here, so anybody who is looking for a brochure can download it up here. And please subscribe to MEPL's YouTube channel. You'll get more updates on ACCA there. Once again, thanks a lot for taking your time out and coming and seeing us here and asking me questions, because when people ask questions, that is when you understand that people are interested in what you are saying. So thank you so much, all of you, for taking your time out and being here, and all the best, and hope to see you soon with MEPL. Thank you so much.